Hiya! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the rainbow look as it is Pride Awareness Month. If you want to learn how to do this, stick with me and I'll give you a step-by-step guide. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give us a little like. Right, let's jump straight in. So this is the P.Louise base in shade 0.5. So I'm just starting by carving out the eyebrows. I want to pack this all over my eyelid and it gives it a blank canvas for my eyeshadows to stick to. Also makes your pigments pop. So I'm starting here with the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival palette, and the first shade I'm going in with is Keen. So I'm going to start by packing the yellow one on the inner corner, and once it's all on I'm going to start blending. And this is how we're looking so far. The next colour from this palette is Lit, and it is a bright orange. For the red shade I'm going in with the Beauty Bay Bright Palette EYN, and I'm going straight in with Hot Stuff. Just going to put these stickers on here. I'm going to go over the top with a shadow, and then when I peel it off it's going to leave a blank silhouette. And now all I'm doing is blending them colours together to make it look seamless. I'm transferring all the colour that I've done on the top. I'm just going to mirror that on the bottom lower lash line. This next palette here is the Lick and Lash Beauty, and I believe it's the 35Y. I'm just going to take this green shade here. Okay, exactly the same process, just with the other eye. The next shade is Sky, which is a beautiful blue. Last colour for this eye is Wasted. Absolutely beaut colour. Now we're going to blend it all together so you can't see any harsh lines. Now we've got to clean this canvas up. So just using a baby wipe just to wipe off all the excess powder. Also I'm making that line at the end quite defined. I want that to be really sharp. There you go. So I've taken the stickers off. Beaut. There we are. Nice little silhouette. Couple of love hearts. Just a touch of white underneath the brow bone. This one here is the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. For my waterline I'm using L.A.Girl Black Liner. And here we have it, girls. Better than sex mascara. Is it though? That is the wand. To be fair, it is a very good mascara. Just using this to coat my lashes. I will be putting false lashes over the top. These are Violet Voss lashes in the style Unicorn Flare. The primer I'm using today is MAC Prep and Prime Beaut. And I'm just going to coat this all over my face. Next up is Estee Lauder Double Wear in shade 1N0 Porcelain. Dab it over the face. This stuff is absolutely brilliant. Full coverage, lasts all day, no need to reapply. Here we have the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. I can't afford liposuction, so I'm going to do a bit of contour. Here we have my go-to blusher. It is Milani in the shade Corallina. Here we have Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. Absolutely love this stuff, I swear by it. It is like 8 hours of sleep in a bottle. For highlighting powder, I'm using the IllMsqua in shade Electric, and as you can see, it has got like a purple sheen to it. This is the lipstick that I chose. It's NYX Velvet Matte Lipstick in the shade Unicorn Fur. And do you know what? With pride, it's go big or go home. And I'm just putting some NYX lip gloss over the top. This is their Slip Tease range in the shade Baecation. Right, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you like what you see. Please give us a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. And I will see you next time. Mwah!